$9.9 mining experience. Welcome back to the WOYOU channel. Today, we'll teach you step by step how to start your mining career quickly, with no risk and zero burden. Let me first summarize the process of the $9.9 mining experience. First, go to the WOYOU official website and find the mining entry for the $9.9 event. Click Start Mining. For the $9.9 experience event, the base duration is 3 days, whether you want to mine Bitcoin or Litecoin. Once you've decided, click the corresponding Start Mining Now. To begin mining, contact customer service via WhatsApp. After paying the $9.9, you just need to go to the top right corner in F2Pool, find your account management. Copy the sub-account name you want to use in F2Pool and provide it to customer service. The process is that simple. Many new miners are still hesitating at the doorstep of mining, unsure whether to venture into professional mining machines. So today, don't miss out on WOYOU's 9.9 mining event. Q and a section. The sub-account you need to use must have a wallet address filled in advance and confirmed email to prevent loss of coins. For example, if you're mining Dogecoin and don't add the address in advance, the Dogecoin earnings will be zero. Next, I'll show you how to find and add your wallet address. I'll use Binance as an example. After logging in or registering on Binance, find the deposit button at the top right. Click Deposit Crypto. If you're mining Bitcoin, enter BTC in the search bar. Select the Bitcoin network. It must be the pure Bitcoin network. Copy this wallet address. The process for obtaining wallet addresses on any other exchange platform is the same. Find a Bitcoin address. Enter the wallet address here. The source of the wallet address is optional to fill in. For example, if you're afraid of forgetting, you can simply enter the name of the exchange. Then click OK. At this point, you'll need to enter your two-factor authentication code. After entering the two-factor authentication code, you'll need to confirm email. Click the link, and then your Bitcoin address will be successfully added. Next, repeat the above steps. Adding a Dogecoin wallet address is the most important, because if you don't confirm gifted coins in advance, the earnings will be zero. About experience duration. The standard duration for the 9.9 experience is 3 days. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find a free duration extension event. Just contact customer service and complete these 4 activities to get a free 4-day extension. This means your 9.9 can give you a 7-day experience. Your hash rate will be allocated at C8 after your payment is completed. Once the hash rate is allocated, you can check your allocated hash rate in your worker section. This is 1 gigahash for 9.9. Sometimes it might reach 1.2 or even 1.3. That's all for this episode. If you found the content helpful, please give it a like and follow us to stay updated with the latest mining machine news and the best prices every day. See you!